Hello children, have a fine day. Today I am going to teach you the next part of the fox and the tortoise. Last two parts I taught a story. So on that story what happened, I'll ask some questions and you can do the answer. Who were the close friends in this lesson? Who were the close friends? You know that the fox and the tortoise were the close friends. Where did the fox and the tortoise live? The fox and the tortoise lived in the forest. Which animals are dangerous and cunning? Children, which animals are dangerous and cunning? We know that the lion, the tiger, the wolf and the leopard, these are the dangerous and cunning animals. Who did creep behind the fox when they are talking each other? A tiger crept slowly behind the fox when the fox and the tortoise talking each other. You know children, when they are talking each other, the tiger is crept, no? When the tortoise saw that tiger, he saved the fox. How? He shouted loudly, "Run, fox, run!" Like that, it shouted. So on that time, the fox ran away and the tortoise, but it's not so lucky. It can attack by the tiger before jumping the pond. But the tiger, he tried more and more, but he could not break that shell of the tortoise. Inside the shell of the tortoise, it always shivering with fear. Which one? The tortoise. Again, what happened? You don't know, no? What happened again? You see the picture. The tiger is trying to break the shell from his paws and claws. Paws means feet of an animal. Claws means nails of the animals. How much sharply is their tiger nails? You can observe that from that paws and the nails, it can try to break the shell of the tortoise. And just then the tortoise heard his friend's voice. So when doing like this tiger, the tortoise heard the fox. Who is that friend? Fox voice. Listened. Sir, the flesh of the tortoise is really very tasty. I can tell you how to get the tortoise out of its shell. The fox said. The fox is telling to the tiger. See, the fox is behind the tree. Is it no, children? Are you observing in this picture? The fox is behind the tree. It can telling to the tiger, I know that how to break the shell. Will you do the trick? Like telling to the tiger. Who? The fox. When tortoise meat is very tasty. How can break? I know that. Like said the fox. Roared the angry tiger said, how? How? It can roaring, no? How it can make the sound? Roaring. You know the sound of the lion and the tiger? Or when we hearing that, we also shivering. Is it no, children? We also get the fear. So from that roaring, it can ask the fox, how? The fox said that, throw him back into the water. The shell of the tortoise is there, no? So when we throw that shell into the water, what will happen? It said, its shell will soak in the water and become soft. When the shell go to the water, it will become soft when it will soak. Soak means become very wet. When that shell go to the water, it will become wet, no? So after that, it will soft. Then you can break it open easily like he gave clue. Who gave clue? The fox. When hear the tiger, yes, I think you are right. Yes, you are right. When we throw this shell into the water, it will become soft and I can eat. Correct. That's correct. Like he thanked for a suggestion of the fox. The tiger thanks to the fox for that suggestion. He picked up the tortoise and threw him back into the water. See, the tiger picked the tortoise shell and threw him back into the water. The fox ran away from that place. When the tortoise in the water, it can always safe. Is it no, children? Why? Because the tortoise lives in the water and even the land also. So on that time, the fox ran away. The tortoise sank to the bottom and did not come up from many days. When it go to the water, it went slowly down in the water. Which one? The tortoise. It goes bottom of the water. It cannot came up. The tiger always observing where the tortoise. It can come out like it can observing, but the tortoise it not came up. The next time the two friends met when were very happy together, but they did not forget to remind each other that they must always be careful in the forest. They always, again, once they met each other, they are always reminding what they remembering, what they are remembering. So like this happen, no, they are attacked by the tiger, no, that all they are keeping in the remember. See children, this is the story. Okay, I'll ask few questions. You can answer that. Here see, name these land animals. These are the land animals. Which one? First one, tiger, the lion, the leopard, the fox, the bear, the deer. These are the land animals. I think you know these animals. You can complete the activity in your textbook. Again, name these water animals. You know, no children? What are that? First one is fish. Second one is tortoise. Third one, you know that? How is that shape? Face? Horse. So it lives in the water. So this is called the seahorse. This is called the seahorse. Okay children, this lesson is completed. I'll give the all activities. I'll send through the WhatsApp. You can copy down that notes and you can read that. Okay, have a good day. Bye children.